Okay, next lesson about visibility graphic views, because it's important topic. As you remember, you can actually have 33 reasons why you cannot see element on the plan. So we are trying to avoid these reasons and know why you don't see element on the plan. Okay, what we have here? For example, we have our lighting plan with template applied, but how to change something? For example, you have these elevations here, building elevations, like you can actually click on it, right click, go to elevation view, and to check out your building from this side or from another side, east, north, west. But I cannot hide these elements, because if I press on it, right click and hide in view, category will be not active, so it's blocked because our template is applied. And if you want to change something for visibility graphics, you have to go in your template and change in where. So I have to go to lighting plan, when I should pick up overrides annotations, because it's not category element category, it's like annotation category, and click edit and check out. Where is our elevations? Elevations. So uncheck this checkbox, apply, okay, apply, okay. So elevations, now we don't have these elevations on our lighting plan. Okay, what's next? Also very interesting button, what helps you to understand what is actually hidden, because we already hided some things on lighting plan, and what if I need to check out what is hidden on the plan? You can use this reveal hidden elements button. So you're pressing on it and you see all hidden elements here, our trees, our sockets, our elevations. And actually, if you don't have lighting or any template applied, you can unhide from this view. So you're clicking, picking up element, right click and unhide in view category. But we have our template applied, so again you should go in template settings and check out visibility graphic options. Okay, let's unpress this button. What's interesting again, for example, if you can see, we here have duplication of our grids. I will show you. No, I will not show because it's pinned. I will unpin and will unhide our grid, another grid from architecture file. So how to avoid duplication of some elements if we don't need it? Because I need only one grid here, like not two grids. So let's undo this. And again, we should go to view template. We should go overrides Revit links section. When we should go here, press on this button, display settings. When make custom, go to annotation categories. Again, choose custom and check out box with grids. Checking out, apply, okay, apply, okay, and apply, okay. So if you will check now, so again I'm unpinning our grid. So, and now we don't have these grids here. So this is actually another type of visibility graphic options for linked Revit file. Okay, now we have our grids, only one exemplar. And what else? Also very important topic about view range. What is view range? Let's go to lighting plan. And and let's go to view range here, and here show. It's a little help from Autodesk. What is view range? So it's a margins for our view, what we can actually see on this level, on this plan. And here we have top, here we have bottom, and cut plane. For example, cut plane, it's just cutting our building somewhere. How to show it? For example, doors. Like average doors height, like it's about 7 feet, like 7 and 3 inches, like 7 feet and 3 inches. And if cut plane is 4 feet, we can actually see doors. But if I put here, for example, 8 feet and click apply, our doors will disappear. The same, for example, for windows, for anything, like we are cutting our building somewhere, and it can influence on such architectural elements like doors, windows. So we are putting here again 4 feet and click apply. Also, we have here view depth. Like, what is it? Sometimes in our project we have something under the floor, for example, conduits, yes? And how to show if something is hidden under the floor? Like, I will show you, but let's go to power plant, because I want to show you using conduits, because usually it's conduits under the floor. Let's go to power plant. Let's create our random conduit, and let's start. Like, you see middle elevations 9 feet here, like above the doors. We are starting to create our conduit, and as you can see, actually it is line, because it depends for like detail level. Like if we have detail level medium, conduits will be a line. It's a basic setup of Revit. But I want to show you like a real conduit, like it's a conduit. It should be like 3D, not line. Let's go to temporary view properties, enable temporary view properties, and here, for example, we will change our detailization level to fine, and you will see our conduit like a real conduit, like, because it's diameter like of 2 inches. Yes. Okay, but what will be if we will put this conduit under the floor? For example, -1. It will disappear. And as we now in temporary view properties, we can go in view range directly from here, not going to like power plane, because anyway it's blocked. Yes, we can go to view range. We can again show our help from Autodesk, and so I put -1 for conduit, correct? So if I will put -2, for example, view depth, apply, okay, I will see our conduit. So great. But what we can do, for example, if I go enable temporary view properties and check, again I cannot see my conduit. But what if I need view range, like the general view range for what is going on? Why we have here our grids? Because we made it in lighting plan, not in power plan. Okay. You can do the same for power plan as we did before for lighting plan. Okay. Grids is here. So what we can do if we have a view range for whole plan, but we need to make another view range for just a little part of our plan, because now I want to show you our underground conduit here, but I don't want to edit view range for whole plan. So again, we have little trick here. You should go to view, plan views, and to create plan region. Here we should check rectangle, because we need to like show some part of the plan of rectangle form, and finish edit mode. So now we have some part plan region, and as you can see, if I select this plan region, I can go in view range. So we're clicking edit, and I'm putting again -2, apply, okay. Now I can see our conduit, but again, as we have like medium level detalization, like we should put fine, like yes, I can see it's like a line. Again, to fix it in our power plan template, we should go in power plan, overrides model, and to choose conduits, and we should choose not by view but fine level of detalization. The same, for example, for conduits fittings, fine level of detalization. Apply OK, apply OK. Now we can see our conduit like normal conduit. Okay, let's hope now it's more or less clear. It's something not just put some comments, because topic is very, very important. Bye.